Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Blackmyth Wukong. You got an error, couldn't start with create process return to E4 error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open up your settings menu and from the left pane, click on the option time and language. Now click on the option date and time, and from here turn off the set time automatically, and then you need to set the time and date manually. So click on the option change, and from here instead of May or whatever date you have, you need to choose March and date should be 31st. After doing so, click on the option change. After doing so, open the game directory. At my end, the game is available in G drive, games, and here is the game directory. Now open B1 folder, binaries, Win64, and you will find an exe file. Right click on this B1 exe file and go to its properties. Click on compatibility tab, checkmark this option, run this program as an administrator. Then hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and you need to launch the game using this exe file only, and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although if the game is still crashing, in the next step you need to open the website from where you have downloaded the game, and on that particular website you will find a link like this which is showing right over here. Due to the YouTube restrictions, I cannot share the site or any other thing, but here I have a screenshot where it is clearly showing that you need to download the updated file. So from where you have downloaded the game, you need to open that site and download that updated file. Once downloaded, it will be in a zip folder. Open it, and here open voice38 folder, B1, binaries, Win64, and you will find two files. You need to copy both the files and paste in the directory as it is showing right over here, which is in G drive, games, Blackmyth, and B1 binaries, Win64, and here you need to paste both the files. Replace them. Once these files are replaced, again open the downloaded folder. Now this time open engine, binaries, third party, Steamworks, Steam, Win64, and again copy these two folders and files. After copying, again open the game directory. In game directory, open the folder, then engine, binaries, third party, Steamworks. Now here right click and choose the option paste. Once all the files are replaced, close it and then relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of create process return to E4 while launching the game Blackmyth Wukong. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.